In this video, we're going to discuss the common misconceptions about ice dams. First off, ice dams are not caused by clogged gutters. What usually causes ice dams is inadequate insulation that can allow heated air to escape into the attic from inside your home. In most homes, there are vents in the soffits and on top of the peak of the roof. These venting systems can allow cooler air to enter the attic at the soffits, and then for warmer air to escape from the ridge vents at the peak of the roof or from gable vents that are mounted on the side of the home. Some other contributing factors for ice dams is when attics don't have enough ventilation to allow for even air exchange. But just because you have the correct amount of insulation in the attic and the right amount of ventilation, you can still have problems with ice dams. Sometimes you can have snow pile up on the roof, which will block off the ridge vents and stop air from escaping the attic. Even if your attic is properly insulated and ventilated, there are some other areas to consider. Air gaps around piping that runs into the attics, wiring systems, especially bathroom exhaust fans that allow air to go directly into the attic from the main area of the home. As the warmer air in the attic slowly causes the accumulated snow to start melting, as this melting water reaches the soffit area beyond the outside wall of the home, it's subjected to colder air, which can cause the water to refreeze again right at the gutter line and over the soffits. Now as this water runs down the roof line and reaches the soffits, it's surrounded by cooler air, which will cause the water to refreeze again. Now with these cycles of constant thawing and refreezing, this is what slowly forms an ice dam on the edge of your home. As this ice dam begins to grow, it will slowly build up water behind the ice dam and cause water to come through the soffit lines of your home. That's your first sign to look for. As this ice dam builds in size, you'll start to notice water coming in the inside of the home, up in the ceilings of your main floor, sometimes on the top, second, and basement levels of your home. Water will run down inside that wall and then enter in different levels of the ceiling. As the water continues to build up, you'll notice it staining the ceiling with a brown stain. Then you'll notice water dripping inside, and then eventually the ceiling will start giving way. I hope this video helps to explain the causes of ice dams and what you need to be aware of on your own home. Just remember, if you have ice dams, please hire a licensed contractor that has experience and the capability to take care of the problem for you. Homeowners should never attempt to do this themselves. Visit our website at henryshousework.com for more information on ice dams or to find a contractor near you.